Hello, hello everyone. I can see a magic view. Okay, from Alexandria beaches, you can enjoy your time. You can enjoy the sea view of the view. I recorded this video to the other people, to the foreigners, to see how amazing is my city. So as you like, there are a lot of beaches in my city. The sky is very clear and a lot of people like to go swimming. There are the beach are very wonderful. So the sea, we are now at the sea sunset. So a lot of people are at restaurants and cafes having drinks, yeah, and enjoy their time in the sea. Okay, where are we now? Exactly, we are in Alexandria at Rushdie district, which overlooks the Mediterranean Sea. In this place you can enjoy your time. There are a lot of beaches, the sea are very clear. There are some ships which are there, as you can see. There are some water games. Okay, aqua park. I can stop talking to let you enjoy the magic, the wonderful view. Okay. There, I think it's not a citadel, it's a place for residents in hotels. It is a gym, a world gym in Alexandria. So it's a group of shops, a group of restaurants overlooks the sea. There are a lot of people here who are drinking, who are having something to eat, something to drink. They are enjoying their time. Yes, they are enjoying the fresh air there. Here there are some palm trees, okay, on the beach. So here there is some the sunset, okay, and there you can see some ships, okay. Yeah, I hope all the tourists who are listening to me, who are watching this view, to visit my city Alexandria in any time. The weather is wonderful in all times, so you will enjoy it. I will welcome you at any time you visit my city. Okay, I think this place is for kids. If you have a kid and you would like to leave him alone to play in the kindergarten or some places, you can live here in this place. There are some games inside. This place is a mosque, okay, for praying, for worship. Okay, if you would like to know the name of these cafes, I can say it very fast: Santos, Tivoli Dome, Rio, Sultana, okay, and Alex Moon there, you can see it. Okay, I said before that it is a gym, international gym, which is called World Gym. This place, I ignore what is it, but I think it is a resort for people who would like to stay here. Yeah, they can leave their cars there and they can stay in these rooms. I don't like I say right or no wrong, but I think so. So at the rest of the video you can watch the sunset. This is Alexandria in summer. Okay, the prices are very good, the prices are very cheap. You will enjoy your time here. If you would like to do swimming, diving in the sea, you must visit my city and you will enjoy the wonderful view all the year. Okay, I have to leave now to drive my car. I left it beside me, so goodbye for now, and I hope to subscribe my channel and like this video. If you would like to comment any comment, you can write it down this video and I can read it and ask anyone who would like me to answer it. Okay, goodbye.